Now, let's start our formal lesson with a statement that photography is the art of light and shade. We use the lights with different colors, properties, and angles, and also shadows the light produced to present our aesthetics in a two-dimensional medium. Ralph Hattersley said that we are making photographies to understand what our lives means to us. Ralph Hattersley said, we are making photographies to understand what our lives means to us. This statement reveals the nature of photography as a recording medium, and I think a document of our existence and the meaning of our lives within a limited time. And now, let's talk about cameras. For chapter 1, first acquaintance with cameras. In this chapter, we will learn about the types of camera and the types of lenses and how they put together and make it work. We will first look at the types of cameras, which are classified on three bases. According to the image medium, they can be divided into film cameras and digital cameras. According to the internal structure, they can also be divided into rangefinder cameras, single lenses reflex camera, twin lenses reflex camera, and a mirrorless camera. According to the size of their sensor, they can be divided into a large format camera, medium format camera, full frame camera, APS-C cameras, and also there's still we can go on. There are still a smaller size of sensors cameras after APS-C, but it's not in the range that we are going to talk about. It is very straightforward to recognize the difference between film cameras and digital camera. The film cameras use films as the carrier of recording images, while digital cameras use an electronic sensor to convert optical images into electronic data. Although the majority of the market is currently dominated by the digital cameras, film cameras still retain a place thanks to their unique quality. According to their internal structure, camera also can be divided into the following four categories. Firstly, the rangefinder cameras, which is 旁轴相机。字面意思两根轴，它的取景器和它的这个镜头是相平行的啊。This is rangefinder cameras, where the views is taken through a separate viewfinder, and the viewfinder's optical axis is parallel to the optical axis of the camera lenses. They can be very well compared to the SLR we are using nowadays. These kind of cameras are small and noiseless, and also have more advantages for the wide angle or ultra wide shots. And the next one is the mirrorless camera, which is nowadays we talk about quite often 无反或者是微单相机。那么这边其实微单相机它最初的这个名词并不是指的是无反相机，但是现在的就市面上的我们所拥有的相机来讲的话，这两个词现在在国内，在中国的这个国内市场上可以是划等号的啊，我们稍微严谨一点。Now, mirrorless cameras are the digital camera with removable lenses and have emerged since 2010s，也就是在10多年前刚刚首次出现，也是离我们当前社会发展是比较新的这么一种技术。The mirrorless camera as a cross between consumer digital cameras and digital single lens reflex camera. Digital single lens reflex camera is we are going to be talk about the next one, which is SLR， 就是我们所谓的单反相机。It differs from the digital camera, digital SLR cameras, is that instead of using an optical viewing window system with a mirror and a pentaprism for the framing purpose, what they use is a digital display with a combination of a sensor and an electronic viewfinder to frame the scene. And that makes the whole camera body lighter and smaller with same picture quality. 那么这个无反相机、微单相机，它的这个内部结构的一种变化呢，把它的这个机身变得很轻，也是比较的受这个大众的欢迎不再像以前扛着一个巨大的单反相机去旅行让人觉得非常的疲惫Okay, the next one, SLR, single lenses reflex camera. SLRs are the most common professional cameras on the market today, and these cameras typically use a mirror and prism system, because the reflects as the mirror's reflection, right? That permit the photographers to view through the lenses and see exactly what will be captured. And compared to the rangefinder cameras, and also the one we're going to talk about next, the twin lenses reflex camera, the viewed image could be significantly different from the final image. 有过出现的这个取景器当中的画面和我们最终拍摄画面出现的偏差这个在旁轴相机和后面马上我们要提到的这个双反相机当中是常见的，尤其是距离比较近的时候。那么单反相机的出现呢，其实在一定程度上就把这个事情杜绝了When the shutter button is pressed on the most SLRs, the mirror flips out of the light path, allowing light to pass through to the light sensor, and the image could be captured. 形成了一个光信号与电信号的一个转化然后把它当做这个数据储存起来这是我们单反相机，数码单反相机 SLR, single lenses reflex camera. Someone would say DSLR is a digital single lenses reflex camera. Okay. The next one, the last one, twin lens reflex camera. Is a type of camera with two objective lenses of the same focal length. One of the lenses is the photographic objective, or what we say taking lenses. That's the one that takes the picture, or the one the lights come through and capture the picture. While the other one is used for the viewfinder system, which is usually viewed from above at the waist level 腰线附近的这么一个取景器，相当于是两个同焦距的这个镜头，一个是用来观景，一个是用来拍摄。Okay, the last one, the sensor size. Sensor size, in order of the size of the camera sensors or film, from largest to smallest, we can divide it into this: large format, medium format, full frames, and APS-C. The larger the sensor's area means larger the image area. If you shoot the same picture in the same environment, by the same environment I mean same lights, same position, same composition, everything is the same, but the difference is the size of the sensor. In this situation, the larger image area is, the larger the area of single pixel is. And that means more details and more color informations the pictures will have, which leads to the better quality of the picture. Taking cost and image quality performance into account, full-frame cameras are currently the best value for money and the preference choice for the most photographer. Full-frame cameras, also known as the 35mm camera, because their sensor size follows the traditional 35mm film size, which is 36mm by 24mm, while 35mm actually refers to the entire wide, the wide of the film, including the perforations on the both sides. And now, how exactly the camera works? How does the camera work?